So I thought I'd do a quick video of the elevator I've made. So we moved into this house 3 months ago, and it's got a steel stairwell. Really awkward to get stuff up onto the main floor here, and we've got an old dog, an old heavy dog as well, so it's becoming a problem. So what I did was install this column, split the fence, put a swing gate in here. That was the first job. Second job was to install the elevator. So I'll give you a quick demo of it working. We'll go downstairs and I'll show you how we built it. So it's got a simple controller, uses a winch cable, and go down like this. So you can see how it works. We've got two main columns directly underneath the new one installed. These are unistruts together with the unistrut carriages. There's two on each side. It's a steel frame made of both box section and angle section with some rods here. That's really just to stop the dog sticking his head out. And then the pulley system, didn't want anything in the center, so it's a main cable, I'll show you in a second, that comes down, goes through a pulley here at the bottom, goes back up over the main heavy duty pulley at the top, and then down to the carriage here. And then to make sure it's balanced equally, there's a second cable that goes down here, goes through a pulley at the bottom, through another pulley under here, back up to a similar pulley at the top, and then down, and that balances the carriage, so it makes it nice and level. And obviously it's nice and clear, so there's no obstruction from cables. So it's really pretty straightforward. This is temporary. I'm going to actually install some buttons both on the carriage up and down, and then a call button at the top and bottom, so you can call the carriage when you need it. But it's pretty straightforward, like this. Step onto the main floor. There's a little kill switch at the top here that I've installed, a limit switch, stop the carriage going any higher, and I'm going to install one at the bottom as well. The winch itself is hidden under the floor here. It's just it's 120 volt, 1300 pound winch or hoist from Harbour Freight. The whole thing cost about $700, I think, maybe $800 by the time I've got all the materials. Obviously the tread plate is aluminium, all the rest of it's steel. Did have to make a few changes. The pulleys they installed originally weren't man enough, so I put in heavier duty ones, and then I had to put a stiffening web here because this was starting to distort. We did a proof test when we first did it. We put about 600-700 pounds on it. Seems to work fine. But we are limited it just to the weight of like one person and a dog, or one person and chopping, and it seems to work pretty well. So I hope you like it. Thank you.